Alright, we got a 2005 F250 Super Duty Ford. It's a 6.0 liter diesel. This is the injector. And I had a broken clip to where the injector harness plugs into it. This goes through the cylinder head. The O-ring seals it. This is inside the head. This kind of pokes through, and then your injector harness plugs into it. As you can see, it's broken. It won't hold a clip. So I bought a kit from, I think it's Big Dog Diesel. All 8 clips. And the pieces for the inside. We called the local diesel repair shop, and they said they didn't know that you could replace these, and I had to buy a whole new injector. So these injectors are a couple $100 a piece. The whole set of 8 of these clips were $65, I think. I'm going to try and replace this plug. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's 4 wires. A red, a blue, white, and a black. There's a pin for each wire. And each pin is numbered. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go, you can kind of see it. So I've correlated each number, each pin with each color wire and its position. I wrote it down on a piece of paper here. 1 is red, 2 is blue, 3 is white, and 4 is black. I'm going to try to remove this center piece, pull these wires through, and put the new plug in. So, let's see how this goes. I'm going to remove this little piece with a, if I can, with a little tiny screwdriver. Came out of a glasses kit. Kind of pry it up on the inside. And that actually came out really easy. So here's this little clip. Here's the replacement one. So red is number 1. These are numbered also. So there's the replacement. It looks pretty much identical to me. There's the new connector. Now I have to get these wires out. I don't know if these wires just pull out or push them through, or there's the rubber piece. Now to get the wire out. Let me figure out how these come out, and then I'll let you know how I did it, or I'll show you on the next one. Alright, I got the first one out. I don't see any kind of clip or nothing. I just pushed it. It came right out. Let me try the other one. It looks like there's a tiny, tiny little clip inside. And since this there's two, so there's a little bitty tiny clip. Just take the screwdriver and push it back. And I doubt there's no way I'll be able to show it. Anyway, so that's out. And I don't know if I want to replace this. Rubber piece. I guess I should or could since I got it. I don't see anything wrong with this one, but red, blue, white, and then black. We'll go red. The blue one. The white one. And this black one. That wasn't too bad, so hopefully They go back together pretty good. Here's the new clip. There's numbers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1 is red. Two is blue. Feels like the blue don't want to stay in there. There we go. 3 is the white one. Can finally kind of feel it click. This is so small, it's hard to tell. You just push the wire right through the hole. You can feel it clip in place. Okay. Uh-oh. That one didn't click. There we go. Check them all, make sure they're in good. And I'll re-verify. So 1 is top right, 2, 3, 4. Goes in clockwise. So looking into back, should be red, blue, white, black, and that's what I got. So now we'll push the rubber piece up inside. Red, blue, white, black. Looks like what is that? The white one is pushed up a little. Well, definitely got it out. Hopefully I'll hit the hole. If you look closely, you can see those clips. So I guess this is what this does. And then this is numbered, and also this. How well you can see this. So then that little black piece goes right in So already, I don't know if you got all that or not. It's really hard because it's so small. You can see the numbers 1 to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1 is red. Sorry. 1 is the red. 2 is the blue. 3 is the white. 4 is the black. I'm going to go put this back on the truck and I'll give you an update to see, well, you know, if it worked or not.